All right, let's make this super quick. You have a problem, I have a solution. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we have three things. The first thing being a reference video that is hopefully in the same recording stack as the one that's corrupted. So for example, this is the corrupted video. This comes from my Sony camera, and what happened is the battery died on the camera. So I'm gonna grab the one right before it, which is a video of my lovely girlfriend vlogging for her YouTube channel. And this is the exact same recording format. It's the same everything, but it just happened right after. You can do the same with OBS if your PC crashes while recording with OBS. Same concept. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the description and download this software right here. This is a software that's made to fix corrupted video files. It is super easy to use. So we're gonna go to releases, and then you're gonna go to assets, and you're gonna click on untrunk x64.zip. That's if you're running Windows. I'm not sure if this works on Mac, but this for sure does work on Windows. So go ahead and download that, and then you'll get this zip file right here. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to extract all, right? Bang. Super easy. So now we have this folder. We can open it up and we can run the untrunk GUI.exe. You can run it through the command line if you really want to, if that's something that you're more technically adept to do. But one, I'm stupid. And two, most of you probably don't know how to use command line. And that's okay. So we're going to open up this program. We're going to get this. We're going to have a button that says reference file and truncated file. So we're going to click reference file, and that is going to be the one that is not corrupted. So we're going to grab this one here, the one right before, bang. And we're going to grab this one right here, bang. And if you try to repair it, it'll work. And now if we look here, if you notice, this is only a 2-minute and 30-second video. And that's not right. This should be a 40-minute long video, roughly. So what we're going to do instead is if we go to the settings, we can skip unknown. If you also look at the logs, it'll tell you what's wrong with it and what is being skipped. But if you don't know what's going on, you can just do that, and then we'll just repair it one more time. It'll probably take a little longer, and bang, we're done. That's it. We have everything that we need, all 40 minutes of footage, and it looks amazing. There's no compression, there's no nothing. It just fixes your files. That's literally it. And now this is a 15 gigabyte useless file because now we have the fixed one. If you guys got any good use out of that, be sure to leave a like. That's it for me.